In this series, we're going to start with CAVUTAGO. For those of you who have been following along on our YouTube channel, you would be familiar with the term CAVUTAGO, but for now, he will go through this and he will explain what it means. Iya, pag madaltak sarman na natava na CAVUTAGO.
Bula guys, before we start, here's what CAVUTAGO means. Put simply, CAVUTAGO is the Fijian Pronunciation Guide. It's when a consonant is paired with a vowel like ba, be, bi, bo, bu. In English, letters change sounds like cat, chat, and chic. Very confusing.
Yo.
But in Fijian, once you master CAVUTAGO, the sounds never change. That's why you can read Fijian fluently forever. So in this series, we're going through every pairing from ba to va, one by one.
One by one.
First, the Fijian vowels called votu. They are a, e, I, o, u. Now let's start with consonant ba. Repeat after me. Ba, be,
bi, bo, bu.
Again. Ba, be,
bi, bo, bu.
Comment ba done if you got it.
Naka.